In today's video, I'm going to use 3 of Cake Flora's amazing nozzles to create these cute little Christmas tree cupcakes. We are going to start off with using just a regular cupcake. I've added some caramel with these cute little cones. They are just regular marshmallow cones. You can find them in store. We're going to use nozzle 193 for the first tree decoration. It's going to be a little star. Nozzle 804 is going at the bottom. And nozzle 352 is just another way to decorate it. We're going to start by adding a layer of white frosting at the bottom. Just a swirl like that. That's going to be our base, and we're going to drop in one of those cute little cones right in the middle. Don't worry, they stand quite easily. Then we're going to use our first little star nozzle and just pipe all around our cupcake, moving it all around with cute little star. Now, this is the first way you can do it. In the second cupcake, I'll show you exactly how to do it in another way that's easier with not having to move your hands so much. Just a little star on top. The second one, I'm just starting at the bottom and punching some cute little stars right to the top. Now you can decorate it whichever way you want to, but I find it's easy to do both of them. Once we have our cute little trees, I've just started to grab some sprinkles, put it all over the tree as decorations. This doesn't have to be perfect. I believe in traditional Christmas trees being full of color. So if you like to go just with one color, that's perfectly fine too. Once I've done that, I am pretty happy with my little tree and putting a star on top, of course. There we have it. Now let's decorate our second one. Using our second nozzle, I'm going to do exactly the same, putting those cute little cones right in the middle. They help so much. And just turning our nozzle sideways so we get almost like a beautiful leaf. And like the first cupcake we made, I am turning my hand as I go along, and I'm piping this inside of each crevice almost, dropping it between each leaf, a second leaf, until I am done right at the top. This is my favorite and it looks so beautiful. They use this with roses and flower decorating. Quite an amazing nozzle to have. We're going to do that one more time and doing it like the first one, turning sideways and going up till the top, not having to move my hands so much. But I have to admit the first way is much prettier for me. The leaves stand out a little bit more. And just going around until you have completed your whole little cupcake tree. This is quite cute. I love doing this. Now for the decorations, I had some only cute little decorating colorful balls, dropping them all over for my decorations. And I took white sprinkles, dropped them at the bottom to make kind of the effect of snow, I think. But that's it. That's exactly how we made our cute little tree cupcakes. And I hope you guys get to do this at home. Remember, the nozzles are available at most of the retail stores lately. And please go and have a look out for them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous Christmas and enjoy these tutorials.